Ready? Hello folks, my name is Michael Maurer. I'm coming to you from MarineMax at Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to show you our 2023 Scout 305 LXF. As you can see, it's our midnight blue with our heritage interior. We have our Mercury Twin 300. We did do the midnight blue accent panels on the engines. If you look back here, this boat is equipped with our auto flush system. You plug your hose in there, you hit a button, it flushes out the engines as you unload the boat from your day. Come aboard. If you notice the accent lighting in the boat, you have blue underneath both sides of the gunnels, as well as on top underneath the hardtop. Back here you have a nice little tackle station or an entertainment station. You can cut your bait, your lunch. You have a little cooler underneath with a sink, some rod holders and cup holders as well. You have a pull-out Yeti cooler here that slides out, and then we have a molded in back bench for comfort. If you look on the deck, we have access to your bilge, and both sides are fish boxes, and you have ample storage back here on this side of the stern. Let's take a look at the helm. So this helm comes equipped with the Mercury joystick. Inside of this joystick, you're going to see our autopilot. You also have your sky hook, and then you have the joystick piloting for around the docks, in and out of your slit, pulling up to a restaurant, fuel dock. Everything in the boat's digital, including the steering. This also comes with the new Mercury throttle system. Very intuitive system. Everything's push button. Starts both engines, your active trim, your lever one, your sync, everything's right here in this system right here. The boat also comes with twin Garmins. We have it set up right now where you can see the readouts of your engines. You can also see on the display all the other options that the boat's equipped with, including all the switching is internal inside of the unit. And then we have the setup of your depth finder as well. This panel here will give you all the readouts of your engine, a second screen for your engine, and then you also have the Fusion stereo head up there. Up top you have all your light switches and your speaker for your Garmin VHF. If you look at the helm seat, both sides are bolstered, and you have armrests that come down on both sides as well. Underneath your feet you have an anti-fatigue pad. Also you have a nice lip here to rest your feet when you're underway. Very comfortable. Let's go up to the bow of the boat. So the bow of the boat, we got a lot going on up here. You have a kind of like a coffin seating up here. You sit two people comfortably with your feet up, relaxing. And then you also have two more seats up here with a molded backrest. Underneath both seats here, you do have storage. That panel right there is for a table that'll come right about here that you can sit and have lunch, dinner, cocktails. And then under here again is a lot more storage with designated area for your storage for your table. You can put your fenders, life jackets, dock lines, whatever you need to go in there, you can put in there, and that's plenty of room for your day. Stored. Come back down here. As you can notice, the handrail, all our cleats on our Scouts are recessed. Now, as you go down here, we have our head. Now, there's inside of this head, we do have our life jacket set down there. You'll see a place to rest, a place to lay down. You'll see your sink and your head itself. It's a lot of room for a 30-foot boat. And you can see the detail and the finish work that Scout puts into this. It definitely separates itself from other boats in this class. Coming back here, the last thing I want to leave you with is, again, more storage that Scout provides in the console. And then we have a tuner door or a side swim door. This lifts up, this door pops out, and it's easy access for swimming, fishing, getting on and off the boat at your dock. I hope you enjoyed our tour here or 305 Scout. If you have any questions, please call us at 609-926-0600, and we'll see you on the water. Have a great one.